Yeah, hello everyone. Here we go again. Um, Actually, here now we have a mock-up design to take care of. Okay, so this video actually is going to be a precise one. So all you need to understand about this video is um, there are basic things and basic tools you may desire to use for your design on the box. So the box is just there for you to place a design on. Okay, so what you just do when you load your mockup box, you locate the place or the region where it says replace this screen. So once you double click on that region, you allow it to load, then to give you a plain background where you are now entitled to edit or to key in your text or your design. So what you do is just type in your text, or if you really want to bring in something that looks like an image, so what you do is just insert that and then you place it on that background, and then after everything you go on the top of the bar, you click on the cancel button. It just looks like a cancel button. When you click on that, then they will now tell you whether to click on the yes or the no. Then you choose the yes button, then allow just that page to load. When this loads, you now see what you have placed on that box. So this is how it is being done. It's not something that is difficult. That is just, you may be seeing all other videos all around or in the internet. You may like it, but this is just how it is done. Okay, so enjoy the video, and when next we meet, we'll be discussing on how we can remove a background of an image. There are different methods we can use to do that. So please subscribe, comment and share, like this channel. Goodbye. God bless.